Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying the essentials. First, make sure your Xbox Live Gold or Game Pass Ultimate is active so multiplayer voice works. Without it, some features may be limited. Next, plug in a compatible headset, use the controller 3.5mm jack, headset adapter, or USB/Bluetooth device, and test basic audio. Once done, open settings and check account privacy for parties and chats to allow voice. This prevents blocked mics and saves time later when you join friends. Now set up and tune the chat itself. Open the guide, go to parties and chats, and either create a new party or join one that connects you instantly. Once inside, access voice settings to enable mic monitoring, adjust mic sensitivity, and set output volume so others hear you clearly. Then use the chat mixer to balance game audio versus chat. Move toward chat if teammates are quiet. Make sure your headset is selected under audio output to avoid using TV speakers by mistake. Finish by verifying everything works together. Invite a friend or use a second account for a quick party test and speak normally to check inbound and outbound audio. If people can't hear you, inspect mute switches, confirm controller firmware and console updates, and reselect the headset in audio settings. If issues persist, power cycle the console, unplug and repair the headset, and retest. This resolves most connection faults. One key tip: temporarily disable chat, overlay apps on PC or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.